Titanic Tragedy and Legacy of the Unsinkable Ship. On April 10, 1912, the RMS Titanic, a marvel of modern engineering and considered unsinkable, embarked on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England, to New York City. The ship, the largest and most luxurious of its time, carried over 2,200 passengers and crew. Designed by Thomas Andrews and constructed by Harland and Wolff Shipyard in Belfast, Titanic boasted state-of-the-art safety features, including watertight compartments and an intricate system of doors to contain potential flooding. The ship's reputation as unsinkable fueled widespread excitement and confidence among passengers and the public. On the night of April 14, 1912, tragedy struck when the Titanic struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic. Despite its advanced safety features, the impact caused severe damage to the ship's hull, compromising multiple watertight compartments. As water flooded the compartments, the ship's fate was sealed. Distress signals were sent out, and passengers and crew were evacuated in lifeboats. However, the insufficient number of lifeboats and confusion about the severity of the situation contributed to the loss of over 1,500 lives. The sinking of the Titanic sent shockwaves around the world. It exposed flaws in maritime safety regulations, including inadequate lifeboat provisions. The disaster prompted significant changes in maritime safety protocols, leading to the establishment of the International Ice Patrol and the adoption of stricter safety measures. The sinking led to inquiries on both sides of the Atlantic, with a notable investigation in the United States led by Senator William Alden Smith. The inquiries explored the circumstances surrounding the disaster, revealing shortcomings in navigation practices, communication, and safety procedures. The sinking of the Titanic has been a source of inspiration for countless books, films, and artworks. The tragedy has become a symbol of human hubris and the unpredictable forces of nature. Notable works, such as James Cameron's film Titanic, have brought the story to new generations. The wreck of the Titanic was discovered in 1985 by a Franco-American expedition led by Robert Ballard. Subsequent explorations and scientific studies have provided valuable insights into the conditions of the shipwreck and helped to preserve the memory of the disaster. Memorials and tributes around the world honor the lives lost in the Titanic disaster, from the iconic iceberg warning system to museums dedicated to the ship's history. The legacy of the Titanic continues to be a poignant reminder of the fragility of human endeavors in the face of nature's forces. The sinking of the RMS Titanic remains one of the most tragic maritime disasters in history. While the ship itself now rests at the bottom of the North Atlantic, its legacy endures as a cautionary tale, influencing maritime safety practices and continuing to capture the imagination of people around the world. The story of the Titanic is a complex tapestry of human ambition, technological innovation, and the stark reality of nature's unpredictability.